Hello everyone, I am Ashwin from CSE department, third year. Now we are going to see about the project that I developed. It is a hurdle based game which here there is a player and it collects the coins and reaches the finish line. So when we play it, we can see that the person can be moved, and when we press the spacebar we can reach the finish line. Now we are going to see how the coding works. Player code. We are having the player code and we created a class named player. In that we declared the float variables like speed and jump force, and the private rigid body RP and public score CC. Now we are in the start, RB equal to get component rigid body. In the start we have to do this, and when we update it, the float in move input, it must get the horizontal axis, and the position of it must be calculated using the formulas into speed into delta time. If the input is space and some math calculations we are doing, then we can add the force to jump it. The jump force is added on trigger enter. When we trigger on trigger enter, the object is destroying and the count is increasing. The coin count is increasing as the that we add star here. If it meets the star, the object will destroy and the coin count will increase. Next, we can see the score code. The score code is very simple, that it has the name as score, and the coin count we are declaring it, and the text value for that score to be updated in the game. We are having the score here, right? For that we are declaring here. In the start is doing nothing, but when we update the coin text, the coin count is increasing, so we increased it. As a recap, we are going to see that the player is created, and when it touches the coin or a star, if the count of the score is increased and the player reaches the destination. The player code, as we saw, this is the player code and this is the score code. Both are developed in C#. Thank you.